Hello everyone, I am Amrita Tiwari, MBA student from SSR Institute of Management and Research at Dadra Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. I am glad to present my case study on the topic Bollywood as an institution rather than just an industry. Bollywood is one of the famous and one of the largest film industry around the world. Bollywood term is used for the movies that are made in Hindi languages, and it does not include movies that are made in any other languages. It began in Mumbai in early 1930s and was known as Bombay Film Industry. Bollywood has contributed a lot for the economy by earning huge amount on movies across the globe. Bollywood has played a significant role as an institution by not just being limited to its profit and earning through movies. Bollywood has contributed a lot in making people learn. Contribution in the form of charity, providing career opportunities and employment to millions of people. The overall industry may not just be a money-minting machine. Instead, it is an institution where not just the audience get a learning opportunity, even the actors get the learning opportunity. So the case talks about various forms of movie. Here I have categorized the movie into 5 segments. Firstly, talking about only comedy and entertainment movies. It includes movies such as Fir Hera Feri, Houseful and many more. Second, biographies of personality. It includes movies such as MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, PM Narendra Modi and many more. Third, historical and mythological movie. It includes movies such as Jodha Akbar, Bajirao Mastani and many more. Fourth, art drama documentaries. It includes Bazaar, Mirzapur and many more. Fifth, movies for kids. It includes movies like The Lion King, The Jungle Book and many more. Further part in the case is regarding how Bollywood is proving to be an institution. Few aspects are discussed in the case such as sense of economics. Bollywood is playing a major role in the nation by contributing a large part of the income earned from the movies to the nation in form of taxes. Second, sense of philanthropy. Bollywood has always contributed for the betterment of society. Many of the actors and actresses are donating money for the needy and helping the society in various aspects. Many of the actors and actresses are establishing their NGOs and helping the needy people. Next is sense of fashion. Bollywood has always come up with the latest fashion where people get to learn the latest fashion trend from the movies. Next is career support. It's in the Bollywood there are not only actors and actresses who are working for the Bollywood industry. Apart from that, there are various people who work behind the screen. Bollywood creates a career opportunity for cinematographer, writer, technician, dancer, singer and many more. It gives chance to young talent to showcase their talent in the Bollywood. Next is socio-cultural demonstration. Socio-cultural demonstration means how Bollywood is engaging itself in various social and cultural aspects of the nation. Surrounding around these cases. While we understood that there are several phases of Bollywood whereby we get to learn something, one of the biggest questions still discussed and leading to dilemma is entertainment versus learning. Is Bollywood more entertainment prone or learning prone? Do we require movies for learning or classroom stand alone are sufficient for learning? This being the case study, I am here going to present some of the teaching note of the case. Following objective may be considered with respect to the case. First, to make the reader understand the significance of Bollywood as an institution. Second, to deliberate on the contribution of the Bollywood to the people of the nation. Talking about the level of analysis. The case aims to explore the world of Bollywood with a special reference to its contribution to the society. General management student would have a good flair on understanding the case. At the same time, an acting school student would have also a learning opportunity. The case aims to contribute to the existing domain of Bollywood, where all the stakeholders have potential benefits from the case. Certain questions which can be discussed after this case study discussion are: Question first, Bollywood is emerging as an essential source of philanthropy for the society. Elaborate this statement while discussing the essence of Bollywood for the society. My solution on this question is, Bollywood today has been seen as the biggest source of philanthropy for the society. This can be said from the following discussion. Bollywood is shaping the future by acting on some of the critical issues like coming together and donating a huge amount for the nation in times of need like during flood, earthquake or any other disaster. Recently, Bollywood has shown the example of strength of unity by standing together and donating large fund for the PM Care Funds to fight against the coronavirus that is COVID-19. The legendary actor Mr. Amitabh Bachchan has donated to farmers and widows of Indian Army materials. He is also the face of Save Our Tiger campaign and he has made the UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador for polio eradication campaign as well. which is the contribution towards the welfare of the society. Likewise, there are many other actors and actresses who are donating for the welfare of the society. Question 2. Does learning from Bollywood has more impact than learning within the classroom? Discuss. My view on this question is that although Bollywood is a good avenue to learn, but I find replacing classroom teaching will be difficult. Teaching can be imparted through physical form, digital form, virtual classes, etc. At the same time, movies will be an opportunity to learn. To me, Bollywood adds value to learning along with classroom. Discuss the various facets of Bollywood while highlighting the instance of Bollywood proving itself to be an institution rather just an industry. My solution for this question is, as we have read in the case, there are different segments where Bollywood is turning out to be an institution. There are various facets of Bollywood. Some of them which is proving to turning out to be an institution are: learning has always been a positive approach of Bollywood. It teaches various learning to the people through movies. Bollywood triggers the mind of the people. People get to learn a lot from movies. It sets a thought process and allows people to think and get to learn a lot from movies. Bollywood has made a huge fashion trend. Through Bollywood, people get to learn a latest fashion trend in clothing. Bollywood has a career support. Bollywood being one of the biggest industry, it requires huge number of people to work in. Apart from the actor and actresses, there are various people behind the screen who are working for the production of movies. Bollywood gives people an opportunity to build their career in cinematography, research, technology, audiography, editing, direction, production, writer, managers, and many others. This all aspects of Bollywood proves Bollywood as an institution. Beneficiaries of this case will be these three sets, that is, graduation and post-graduation student, film enthusiasts, Bollywood industry and related industry. Thank you everyone for listening to me.